Today, I'll show you how to set up company departments on Gusto, a task that's essential for organizing your business structure and ensuring smooth operations. Gusto is a powerful platform that helps you manage various HR functions, and setting up departments is an important step in leveraging its full potential. So, let's get started. First things first, head over to gusto.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's designed to be intuitive, but knowing your way around will save you time in the long run. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled People and give it a click. This section is where you can manage all aspects related to your employees, from their personal details to their roles within the company. Next, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll notice a More drop-down menu. This is your gateway to additional settings and options that are not immediately visible on the main screen. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal more choices. Among the options that appear, you'll see Departments. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can view all existing departments and make necessary changes. If your company is just starting out with Gusto, this area might be empty, but don't worry, you'll soon fill it with the necessary details. The next step is to click on Add Department. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Clicking here will open a form that you need to fill out to create a new department. When you're prompted to enter the name of the department, take a moment to think about the structure of your company. It's important to name your departments clearly and consistently, as this will help everyone in the organization understand the hierarchy and responsibilities. Enter the name of the department in the provided field. Finally, once you've entered the department name, click Save. This will add the new department to your company's structure within Gusto. It's as simple as that. You've now successfully set up a department, and you can repeat these steps to add more as needed. A quick tip before we wrap up. It's a good idea to regularly review and update your departments as your business evolves. This ensures that your organizational structure remains relevant and supports your company's growth. And there you have it. You've just learned how to set up company departments on Gusto. Keeping your departments organized is crucial for efficient management and smooth operations within your company. If you have any questions or run into issues, Gusto's support team is always there to help. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your business effectively.